Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Holland's Classroom, where today we are in Chapter 6, Lesson 3. We're learning about subtraction, but now we're going to be talking about the minus symbol. So we've seen it already, we kind of know what it is, but we're going to practice using it a bit more in this lesson. So let's move forward. Oh, they want us to do ooh, I like this. Okay, so let's do this. It says write a plus sign on the paper. Okay, fine. Here's my plus sign. Then it says put 8 dots before the sign. All right. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then it says put 2 dots after the sign. 1, 2. Okay, so we have 8 and then 2 more because the plus sign gives us more. So I'm going to put 8 plus 2. Well, then what's at the equal? Okay, skip count. 8, or a shortcut count, I should say, not skip count. Shortcut count. We have 8, 9, 10. See? See how quick that was? Instead of counting all of them, I had 8, 9, 10. Super easy. Okay, let's move on, shall we? All right, we know 10. All right, so what does it mean to subtract? Well, we've said take away. We've also said go away. Basically, when there's a group and then the group becomes smaller because other parts of the group left. So let's see what they have here. It says there are students playing on the playground. Use objects to model the subtraction story. Ooh, I like this one. I'll do this one. Okay. Let's say there's 2 kids on the swing. So I got to write a 2. Uh-oh. Gotta erase that. I want to make it look a little neater than that. Sometimes I'm a little sloppy, but don't like to be sloppy a lot. So there's 2 kids on a swing, and I'm going to take away because it wants to be a subtraction story. So then one kid says, I'm done playing. So the one kid goes away. So one kid goes away. Hold on. Hey. So 2 kids on the swing and then 1 kid left. So that means there's only one more. All alone on the swings. Okay, let's take a look. There are 8 sheep sleeping in the field. Aww. Okay, so we gotta write an 8. 8 are sleeping in the field. Draw a minus sign in the circle. Okay, got it. Write the number of sheep that are running away. How many are running? 1, 2, ooh, 3 are sneaking off. They're sneaking away. How many are still sleeping? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, cool. See? Not too bad. It's all about looking at the story and just looking at what's happening. So let's look in your books. We're out here in the middle of nowhere, and it says use dots to model a subtraction story. Okay, 6 children are playing. Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I feel like we did this one already. How many are going away? I feel like we've done this one already, but we'll just keep going. Okay, so it says there are 6 children, so we write the 6. Then how many are going away? 4 children have to go home. So 4 of them are leaving. So we cross out 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are still playing? 1, 2. Yeah. I feel like we did it, but when you have smaller numbers, you're gonna see the same numbers over and over and over again. So let's check on the next page and see if they have anything new for us. Okay, so all of these you see, we're gonna be tracing the minus sign because the minus sign means we're getting less. And if you notice, when we were adding, we had 2 smaller numbers and put them together and we made a big number. This time it goes backwards. We start with a big number and then we take away a littler number and we still get a smaller number. Let's look up here. So there are 5 birds flying and then we take away 2. So 2 is smaller than 5. We take away these 2 And how many are left? One, two, three. So when you do subtraction sentences, the number gets smaller. It doesn't get bigger. Like it wouldn't say there's 5 birds and then 2 get taken away, so now there's 10. There's obviously not 10 there. Let's take a look at this one. How many bunnies are there? One, two, three, four, five, six. There are 6 bunny rabbits. And how many decide to go away? 1. So is there 11 rabbits now? Well, no, there's going to be less because one of them's leaving. So there's not 6 anymore. There's one, two, three, four, 5. Crossing him out, we have 5. Okay. And we've seen this one before with the ducks. So let's see what they have. Okay. We have 7 ducks. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. Yep, 7 ducks. And then 3 of them walk away. And now we have one, two, three, 4 in the pond. Because remember, we did this one backwards where you could say there are 7 ducks and 4 of them decide to stay in the pond. So how many are left? 3. Yeah. So we're very familiar with that one, aren't we? Yeah, we are. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys do the rest of these because you guys don't need to read the story to see what's going on. You can count the animals or insects and then write down how many are leaving and then write down how many are left because that is what you're practicing. Here you might need some help reading. They want you to model and use some numbers and stuff. They don't actually tell you. They want you to like so like get some cereal or pennies or something and put them on here, and then so you'll write how many you put on the paper, and then you'll like put the minus sign there and then take some away, write down how many you decided to take away, and then write how many are left. That's what you'll do. And then the homework, like I said, it's kind of easy to see. You have how many pool noodles and then how many fell out of the pool, how many are still left in the pool. That's what you're writing. How many bikes are there? How many bikes rode away? How many are left? That's what you're doing. Simple as that. That's really all I have for today. We're going to check out and see what's going on with the equal sign tomorrow. But for now, I'll see you later. Bye, everybody.